I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Used to the title. I'm already getting nervous. I start giggling when I get nervous. You guys want to know what's going on today? Let's go. I am a service provider girly, okay? 90% of the times when I be seeing stories on the internet, I am usually on the service provider side first. I have service provider friends, I get it. In no way is anything that I am going to say in today's video discrediting beauty providers, right? Because someone's got to do it. A lot of people are lazy when it comes to their own maintenance, and a lot of people consider it a luxury, a treat yourself type of thing. So we are always going to need service providers. With that being said though, there is something about knowing how to upkeep your maintenance yourself that just feels really good. Like being able to do it yourself. So yeah, I can, pay someone to do it. I can have that luxury, but if it comes down to it and I need to know how to do my hair, I need to know how to do so. You don't want to be that person on vacation who you don't know how to do a little beat of something on your face. You don't want to be that person that walks up to everyone else with the mascara like, hey, can you put on lashes for me? You don't want to be that person. So I've been showing some videos on learning how to do things yourself, press on nails. The people, especially during COVID and whatnot, I feel like a lot of people learn how to do their nails themselves, and not just press-ons, but actual like buying the nail kits and learning how to do acrylics and whatnot themselves. Skincare, I've been doing micro needling myself. I started tinting my brows myself, still getting the hang of it. I am realizing I like it best on that I like it best on that third day. Today is the second day of after brow tinting them, I think. So like I like it best by how they'll look tomorrow. Now really the only thing I'm struggling with is my hair, but I'm getting to the point where I can do natural styles myself. I can wash it, I can blow dry it myself. But hair is really where I struggle, and hair is that first one where it's like I'm gonna pay somebody else to do it. I don't have the arms for that. They hurt by the first 30 minutes in. So why not learn how to do something else? I'm giggling and I'm laughing because I'm scared. I have done laser hair removal before. I did video that, and then after that I have done waxing for years. I saw this Nair Luxe wax, Stripless wax set on Ulta site, and I said, why not add something else to the list? You don't always want to have to make that drive when your cooch needs a little, mustache needs a little, So today we are going to try to see if we can learn how to wax ourselves. And I don't think it's necessarily like being able to follow directions, because for the most part, like, you get the idea of what to do. It's the going through with waxing yourself. Yeah. Now, I do have people ask me what it feels like getting waxed, and I would say like the first time I did it, probably would have said like a 8. Mind you, I did a full body first time that I did it. So, also don't do that. But like the first time I did it, an 8. How would I describe it now after years? Like a 3, 4. It'd be hurting more during that time of the month. Full body, I mean. Because just everything is sensitive at that point. But like a 3, 4, I think everyone's pain tolerance is different, but I don't necessarily say it hurts that much anymore. But it's different when you're doing it yourself, right? A waxer doing it for you, you don't really know when it's coming. She be talking to me through it, so again, like, I'm lost in conversation, but like there's something about you sitting there and ripping it off yourself. I'm gonna test it on my armpits, and it doesn't help that I'm already sweating. So like I said, this is the Nair Luxe Wax Stripless Hot Waxing Kit. This retails for, it actually retails for $16.99, but it's on sale right now for $12.74. Let's see. Nair Luxe Wax is the #1 hot wax formula in France. It's renowned for its proven effectiveness on short hair, which means less wait time between waxes. Enjoy the touchably smooth, soft feeling you love for up to 4 weeks. I don't remember if I mentioned that or not, but with waxing, especially over a long period of time, your hair will grow back like less and less. Well, I think, at least in my case, it's a combination of getting laser hair removal and waxing as well. But your hair will grow back like less and less. It'll be less, prominent there. So that is what I'm working with right now. This is probably, let me see what the other one looks like. I think the other one's a little worse. This is probably, oh, I don't know. When was the last time I got my, I think this is, oh, this might be 3 months. This might be 3 months worth of hair growth. So it does pay off in the long run. You'll have to do it like less and less. Now let's open this up, see what comes in there, and read the directions. I probably should have watched like some videos. Seeing how it goes for people, but again, so here's the little spatula. Let's see, this is the post waxing wipes. There's only 2. There's a whole tub in here. Okay, there's only 2. These are the directions, and then here is the actual wax, and then read the directions, carefully follow. Oh, I guess this goes on here, like when you put it in the microwave. Wait a minute, hold on. There's a lot here. Not recommended for use on the face. So I guess no mustache. I feel like people are still gonna use it on the face anyway, but it's telling you, do not wax inside nose, ears, nipples, vaginal or genital areas, or eyelashes. Do not use product in the area of the eye. Do not use on irritated, inflamed, or broken skin. Do not apply wax over sunburned, chapped, broken, or sore skin, cuts, weak scars, or eczema. Do not use 24 hours before or after sunbathing. Do not use a deodorant or antiperspirant for 24 hours after underarm hair removal. On the bikini line and underarms, it is not recommended that you apply wax more than twice to the same area during a single waxing session. In hot, humid weather, sparingly apply powder to the areas to be waxed. Do not use for 2 hours after a bath. Always leave at least 72 hours between waxing sessions. Not suitable for people with extra sensitive or problem skin. Not recommended for the elderly or people with loose skin. If the skin to be treated is not held taut and the wax is not pulled back very fast and close to the skin, then a pinching effect may be felt. A wax residue will remain on the skin, or worse, skin could be removed resulting in injury. Wax should not be used by people suffering from diabetes or circulatory problems, or on areas with varicose veins, moles, and warts. Do not ingest. Heat only in a microwave. Okay. Heat only in a microwave. Where are the instructions? Bitch. Okay, so I guess there's nothing else to do than to go heat it up and get started. Okay, so that is it melted straight out of the microwave. Mix that up. Before, I had this wax balancing on my legs. I really don't take nothing serious. Ooh, that is. I feel like it would also help if I was doing this facing a mirror so I could see instead of just the viewfinder, but okay. And peel up the bottom. Oh, okay. Okay. However, hello. Focus. Do you see that? Okay. Okay. Ooh, okay. All right. Ow, I'm sweating. I'm gonna turn the fan on. Okay. Oh, oh. Okay, I had to turn the fan on and go wipe down my other arm because I started to sweat. But so that is what my underarm looks like. Now for the other one. Ooh, okay, that's a little too much. I don't have it in me. I don't have it in me. I don't. Okay. 1, 2. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. I just felt so many emotions at once. Ooh, y'all see that? And yeah, y'all, that is what my armpits look like now. So, you know, definitely something you gotta mentally prepare for if you're going to do it yourself. If you have someone that'll do it for you, even better. So, you know, definitely something you have to mentally prepare yourself for. But it's doable and it's effective, and it was $12 and you still have the tub. So if you are looking for another way, because I haven't said that, baby, but everyone knew that this is what we would be like 10 months later. So it's already been said, the whole beauty services was going to be one of the first things to go in a lot of people's budgets because it is a luxury. So if you have to start learning how to do things yourself, this is something else that you can check off the list. Fairly simple to understand, actually very simple to understand, very simple to actually do. It's the building yourself up to actually do it. So I have sensitive skin. If anything happens, I will be sure to keep you updated on that. But for right now, it's getting 2 thumbs up for me. So yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. Still sweating, the fan is still on. I hope seeing me test this out has helped. If any of you are thinking of checking it out for yourself, make sure 2 thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.